I currently have three position, one long process PRX. It's currently underwater. Yeah, not yet where I want it to be, but I think the Chinese market have formed a nice. So this one, not the Chinese. So it's formed a nice U shape here, and I think it has found a bottom along with other Chinese stocks. I do think it will move up, uh, back above the 900 range in the near future. I do believe so. The second one that I have, it's ABSA. It's also not performing well, also underwater at the moment. So you can see a major support level for ABSA around here. Major support. Bounce here, it went all the way up. Bounce here, it went all the way up. It bounced here, it went all the way up. Tried to bounce, didn't break. Tried to bounce. So my thinking here is that it might try to bounce again and go up as the environment does say with the interest rates going up, maybe we might see a move up. But if it breaks below, or it breaks to below this area, I will cut the trade and enter a short position, which will take us down here, somewhere around here. So I'll see how the trade goes. The third one that I have is TGA. I recently entered it, a long position. It's been on the sideways for some time now, and if it goes somewhere around this area, I will cut the trade. But we could, there are two things that I pay here. We could have reached the top. This stock has run very hard. We could be at the top and then reverse lower back to say $100, below $100. So it will depend with all the situation with the energy and all of that. So with the news that the Russia is Europe is not buying coal from Russia and so whatnot. So if it continue moving up, we'll see. But if it reverse down, it will quickly cut the trade and position for a short position and try to ride it down. It is around the 52 weeks high, somewhere, it's not far. And the trend, I try to follow the trend, and the trend is in this direction. So hopefully we'll see how it goes for this one. And then I also have some stocks that I'm watching. The NESPAS is also a similar story with the process. It would basically one and the same thing. They move in same direction all the time. And then I also have Sasol that I'm also watching. It has touched the 50 MA here, so we will see how it goes with oil and recession and all of that. We might break down, but the trend is up. So if we trade in the direction of the trend, the favorable position to go to take on this one is a long position, unless everything goes down and the commodity prices go down and follow all the stock, because they currently the strongest markets that is holding some of the indices up, and the emerging markets are the commodities. So if they break down, I will also look to enter a long or a short position depending on how things develop in a couple of days on this one. And it's the same thing on Glencore. So I will not buy it as it's also below the 50 EMA at the moment. The only stock that I'm exceptional to that is NESPA's. So here it break down, try to go down. Uh, if in this area here, I am more inclined to enter a short position than a long position. So if it goes back above the 50 EMA, I will more be looking at the long position. But the trend is up unless we have reached the top, so I don't want to fight the trend. Uh, for now, since the beginning of the year and since August, the trend has been short-term trend has been up, so I want to stick with the trend. So I am monitoring this. I will see which position I enter in the coming days if there's an opportunity.